Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be teaching all you need to know about Sketchware. Sketchware is one of the most popular app for creating mobile applications without any coding knowledge. It's a user-friendly platform that enables users to design and develop their own apps using a drag-and-drop interface. Sketchware provides wide-range features including a code editor, a layout editor and a project manager, making it easy for users to create complex apps with ease. Sketchware allows users to export their projects to Android Studio. This feature is available in the Pro version of Sketchware. Once you have completed your project in Sketchware, you can export into Android Studio to make further modifications or to publish to Google Play Store. In this Sketchware tutorial, I'm going to show you some basics of Sketchware which you need so much. Let's start by creating a new project. Open Sketchware app on the landing page. Click on Create a New Project button, and give permission to read and write to storage. On the project configuration you need to set your app name, icon, theme, package name, project name and version code. After filling out the necessary information, click Create to create a new project. Designing your app. You can design how your application looks like by working on the View tab. In order to gain expertise in designing your application, you need to understand three different topics: widgets, properties, and layouts. Widgets. Widgets are a collection of different functionalities that serve different purposes. For example, a text view is a widget that shows text value on the screen, and an image view is a widget that renders an image. To place the widgets, simply long press them and drop it on the edit screen. Properties. Each widget comes with different properties. For example, a text view will come with properties like text size and text color, and an image view will come with the image property. These properties can be found on the bottom after you place a widget. Layouts. By default, widgets are placed vertically on the screen. By mixing different oriented layouts, you can change the way widgets are placed on the screen. You can place widgets horizontally inside the linear H layout and vertically inside the linear V layout.